Hello everyone, it's me, Henry Buxtall. Welcome to my channel, Troubleshooting with Henry. Today's topic is about eating when traveling. This is a big topic, so I broke it into 3 videos: cooking for yourself, eating in restaurants, and street food. Being budget conscious, I tend to think of eating in restaurants as a special treat. When you do decide to go out to eat, here are some good tips you might want to follow. The biggest issue with eating in restaurants is the cost. Sometimes meals can be quite expensive. It's important to know how much you are willing to spend, or you could get a nasty surprise when the bill arrives. Some restaurants post their menus on the door or online, so it's possible to figure out how much a meal might cost before you go. Going to smaller and busier restaurants is often a better choice. It's a great way to support the local economy. If the local community frequents a particular restaurant, it's probably a solid choice. The food will often be more authentic and usually a better price, and it's less likely to give you problems. Though it's true, you can have digestive issues with restaurant food anywhere in the world, it's not always food poisoning. Sometimes, when traveling, unfamiliar ingredients or preparation methods can cause stomach issues. The food may be fine, but your body might not be ready for it. Once when traveling, my companions became quite ill, and it was definitely food related. If you do get sick, however, you don't need to worry too much. In our experience, the healthcare systems in France, Spain, and Portugal were second to none. Restaurant culture can be quite different in other countries. For example, in some places dinner is offered much later in the evening to take advantage of the cooler temperatures. For this reason, dinner service may be the busiest time, so keep that in mind. In some countries, there are unique ways of offering food to customers. For example, in Spain, going to local snack bars known as Tapas bars can be a delicious option at a fraction of the price. Small items are set out and you can pick and choose what you would like to try and only pay for the items you select. This is a really fun way to treat yourself while still being money conscious and staying on budget. Depending on how adventurous an eater you are, you may also get the chance to try new foods you've never experienced before. And this is definitely one of the joys of travel. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe below. And as always, special thanks to Johnny Flynn for giving us permission to use his beautiful music. Happy travels!